Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello wonderful people, welcome back again to this YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your time. Yes, welcome to Anointed Lady TV. If today is the first time you will come across my channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you very much for stopping by. And to all my returning subscribers, I truly appreciate you all for your massive support, for your comment, for your love to this channel. I say may God richly bless you all in Jesus' name. Amen. My correct people, this video will be see we want watch, so I urge all of them to watch am to the end, because now live video will be say one of our journalists do for Nigeria concerning waiting what happen for Nigeria. So now I say make I carry and come here so that make we watch them together now live. And as she dey talk this thing, I say yes, I don't feel hear about these things before. So now waiting fake Buhari want do now make Ife ban Twitter for Nigeria. Nigeria is seriously bleeding as we talk. So make I drop the video chapterly, make me and you watch them together, and drop your opinion for the comment section what you think about the video. All right, make we watch the video for now. From me to you, and I say bye.
3 a.m. now, 2:59 in Nigeria. My eyes may be closed because I'm tired and it's obviously early. 3 a.m. I didn't wake up early. I haven't slept. Twitter has been shut down in Nigeria. In October of 2020, October 14th to be precise, I started tweeting October 6th about what's going to happen with the EndSARS protests. It was badly organized. Segun Osaya formed a hashtag and he worked on 5 major points, going to Abuja back and forth to make sure the police commissioner enacts them, 5 for 5. A bunch of feminist girls piled themselves together and decided to hijack his hashtag and take it on the streets. They mobilized people for every corner of the country, especially Lagos. They had Jack Dorsey raise money for them with Bitcoin. And also, post the account numbers. They raised a lot of money, close to 56 million naira. They fed protesters at Lekki toll gate, protesters that they made block the whole toll gate. Without any reason, they blocked the toll gate. They inconvenienced a lot of motorists, a lot of people for days. They had a vigil 2 weeks after the initial blockage for all the victims of SARS. A monster police unit that was never monitored properly went from executing people inside police stations to extorting young people holding POS machines. At the end of the day, everything went wrong. I predicted anarchy. I predicted deaths. I predicted burning of houses, looting of stores. It all happened. But on the 14th of October 2020, I told you guys that they're going to shut the internet down. What did you do? You abused me. They're going to shut the internet down. The internet is no big deal to our dictators. They shut it down today. Twitter is shut down, and that's the end of the internet. Forget anything else you have. Some of us do not socialize on social media. Some of us do not socialize at all on social media. We actually work on social media. My Twitter account is monetized. For the little bit of money I make over there, and I still ask people to donate, Sam Clef, a Nigerian music producer turned blogger, still producer, just had a live video on Instagram raising funds for me. Raising funds for me because Nigerians don't know why you need good journalists, why you need people to work well for you. Facebook is not next. You cannot use Facebook for news wires. It's not in real time. Facebook is already gone. Facebook's already gone. They deleted his tweet on Facebook. Tomorrow morning, you won't see Facebook anymore. Or it may just slow down. They've slowed down all the telecoms in Nigeria. If you're watching this broadcast, you may not be in Nigeria. Chances are you're abroad. The whole of the telecoms have been slowed down. They've told them. The internet is going to be very, very slow this weekend. Listen to what I tell you, Nigerians, okay? Don't take me for granted. Last week, about 2 weeks ago, I left Lagos. I went to Abuja. I didn't tell anybody, didn't have to. It's the same way you're going to see me when I'm on the other side in the United States, and I won't be coming back. I can't be consistent, Anthony. I have no money to be consistent. Every one of you want everything free. Do you not pay for the newspapers you read? You pay for it because you buy data to read it online, or you buy the newspapers. I don't want to start a broadcasting firm. That's not what I want. I already have a platform. I lost it after Ibiomi arrested me, HNN Africa. Then I started a new one. I really didn't start anything. I was just doing investigations of different kinds. Now I started the rest of Naija. It's not even mine. I trained 6 students to run it. I don't socialize with anybody. I do my work and that's it. But you guys don't understand. I've been called beggar. I've been shamed. Do you not see Premium Times asking for donations monthly? Guardian UK, Hum Angle. You don't understand the importance of journalists. You guys are the ones to blame. You just fucked us up. Every last one of you in Nigeria just fucked us up. Do you know without Twitter, we cannot get access to the newswires in real time? The last time I tried to get access to newswires was in America in 2005. We go to the library, we read the newspapers, and we turn the TV on all at the same time. That's how you get access to what's going on. The Associated Press. That's the last time I did it, 2005. 2006, Twitter came. Real time. 2021, they've shut it down in Nigeria. And you expect me to know what's going on right now. I don't know what's going on in any part of the world right now. Have you ever asked me why they never hired me at any media house? One person will tell the other, don't hire her. She's going to get us into trouble. Do you not understand what the NBC stands for? National Broadcast Commission. They censor people. They don't want you to tell the truth. They don't want you to abuse the presidency or tell the truth about the presidency. Look at everything I've investigated in Nigeria. Look at everything that I've predicted. Has anyone been wrong? From news to all kinds of stuff. I don't have any people in the US, Miriam. I don't even move with Nigerians. I know you guys, they come back to the US. You have your people here. My people in the US are Fox News. When I get back there, I'm going straight to Fox News, where the truth is said. I sat down here, I investigated frauds, scams, everything. I told you Hush Puppy was arrested. I told you he was arrested and they have him in custody with almost 12 different people. I told you he was taken to America. You called me a liar. Oh no, he's been extradited to Nigeria. I told you all these things, but you never believed me. But all I had was the bullshit phrase, Kemi was right. I'm angry tonight. Kemi was right. 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 When are you going to come out of the stupidity? People are suffering in Nigeria. They're going to suffer more. I'm glad in a way they shut down Twitter. For young people, they need to be off Twitter for at least a week. Young people, they use it as a social media contagion. Everybody on the same bullshit. I'm glad Twitter shut down because of the BB Naija ones. Big Brother Naija. You open Twitter to look for news in real time. All you see, Thatcher this, Erica that, Ozo that. Did you not get tired of that? Use Twitter for the right thing. No. I closed my Facebook page for 3 days. I opened it this morning. Many of you may have been looking for me. It's no point again. That whole fundraising thing, I'm going to stop it one day. One day you have to give up on your dreams. If you cannot get it, we don't need VPN. We don't need VPN. People that are using VPN don't know how much it costs. Free VPN is not what we work on Twitter. All these young people that are using VPN, they're stupid, they're daft, they don't understand one thing. They shut down Twitter. Who are you tweeting to? You want to go and get VPN. Who exactly are you tweeting to? It is people like us that work on Twitter. Journalists like us that want to communicate to other people to see our tweets. We're the ones supposed to be getting VPN. Carded VPN is expensive. Those free ones will take 5 gigs in 1 minute from you. Yeah, me see idea, but please don't advertise on my pages. I hate that. I'm selling VPN. Don't ever do that because I ban people immediately for that. I don't need VPN. Instagram does not work for journalists, guys. You don't really understand. This is what I'm talking about. Information is power. You guys will be acting like illiterates. Twitter is real time. If something happens, you'll see it on Twitter immediately. Real time. Edward Ritchie, who are you? They can never shut down the Twitter like that. Install VPN. What nonsense are you writing? Some of you just write shit. You don't even read it. Twitter is gone. There are several kinds of VPNs. I think I posted them today. I deleted them all. Don't use VPN on Facebook. Okay, because they're going to shut Facebook down. I already know that. Now let me tell you what's going to happen. They're going to shut all social media down. You're going to be like Uganda. During the Uganda elections, they shut down the internet. That's what's going to happen on June 12th. So all the protests you guys are going, be careful. Don't go near Lekki Tollgate. I'm saying it. I'm going to say it again, guys. Don't go near Lekki Tollgate on June 12th. Okay, if you don't know what's going on by now, you're daft. Don't go near Lekki Tollgate. They will be there to kill you. What happened last time at Lekki Tollgate is what that guy was investigating, among other things. The guy that died in a plane crash. If you use VPN on Facebook, they will kill your account. I hope you are listening to me. My position, everybody now wants to know my position and everything. When I was talking, Kemi, shut up. Leave this alone. Leave that alone. That's what I get now. What's your opinion? What's your... When I was doing opinion journalism, none of you wanted to know anything. President's tweets. The president got you where you want. That's why you should be following me on Instagram. The video is there. A rapper, M.I., he created a hashtag, I am Igbo too. All of you followed. Everybody following the bandwagon. Oh. All of you followed the bandwagon, tweeting, I'm Igbo too. You were in solidarity with the Igbos. You united with the Igbos. That's what Buhari wants. He wants you all to be united. The very next day, they started a hashtag, United African Republic. You see how they got you? Oh, you guys are not smart. You're not intelligent at all. You're smart, but you're not intelligent. The same thing happened. Adamu Garba, look at him. He's all happy on channels, news. He went on BBC. 105 people came on live with him and everything. Gmorara. Oh, I've never seen such a daft group. And most of them are young people. Using the wrong narratives, the wrong headlines. Aisha Buhari deactivated Twitter page. Is that news? They're going to ban Twitter. The first lady deactivated her page. They're going to close it anyway. If I were you, I've told Tony Lawani, that's the day she's getting married. I don't know if we're going to be able to come out of this house. If you're abroad, pray for those of your loved ones and advise them to stay at home. This week is going to be one of the bloodiest weeks in Nigeria. This week we're about to enter. The internet has been slowed down. It's going to slow down again. They're going to take it. I've gotten information from the DSS. Okay, DSS sources tell me they're going to shut down the whole internet. You won't be able to post any photos of anything. My name says Dr. Kemi Olunloyo on my profile. All of you decide to call me Auntie Kemi. And you wonder why I only answer the people that call me Dr. Kemi. It's not a title thing. I'm at work. You just want to be familiarizing with me. I've shut my DM. I don't want any messages from anybody. Everything changes from now. You guys caused it. There's no plan B. They're going to shut all media on. They're going to... nobody's going to be able to travel. I'm not pinning any bank